In this video, we will learn how to turn off unused variable warnings. So in Xcode, you can place unused variable warnings in Swift by either tweaking your code or by using compiler flags. So firstly, you can see here is the warning of that variable because we are not using that variable. So to turn off this warning, you can use underscore before the variable name. Okay, this is the first way. For the second way, you can add the flag in the other Swift flags in the build settings. You have to search other Swift flags here, double click on that value, click on plus icon. You have to add this text hyphen suppress hyphen warnings. You can see the warnings are disabled now.